Alright, it's the first day of spring today, so nothing better than moving some dirt. The game plan for this video, I got stumps to pull and I got a lot more brush to clear. Right down here after that porta potty, I got to clear out all this tangled up brush. Then when I have that cleared up, we're actually through the worst part of the clearing. And the driveway, it'll be going through here in this low area. Then where the footbridge is, we gotta hop that, and then we can go up the hill. Alright, we're on day 2 of clearing. I got my dad running the tractor, moving all the stumps and logs, so that's helping a lot than doing it all in one shot with the machine. Yeah, we're making good progress. calling this good. Really happy with it. Got the mud bog all cleaned out. I didn't dig anything, cleaned it up, so that looks much better. Come over here. I finagled the machine down here, and I cleaned up by the creek. I want a view of the water instead of having a bunch of pricker bushes, so that's done. I didn't pull all the stumps out yet because I don't want it to erode or this bank to fall in. So when I actually do the driveway and all that, then I'll pull them. I'm gonna try and leave this tree. I don't know why I like it. It's straight. That we got to take down, but I'll probably do that when I have to. And then, yeah, after that, we got to hop the pond. The good part about me getting all this cleared up to the bridge is that's the hardest part of clearing. On top of the hill, way up there, that's cake work. I mean, it's lightly wooded, no vines, nothing. So I'll be able to rip through that when I get up there. But yeah, I'm really happy that I'm through the hellhole of the property, so to speak. So making really good progress. I got a job coming up soon, so also happy I got this done before then. So now that all this is cleared, the game plan is pretty much we got to move all the firewood. Got a lot of brush and stumps and more brush over there, get the camper cleared, and then we got to find a bulldozer. I mean, get a bulldozer, we're pushing dirt and we're cutting a driveway in. So really looking forward to that. And I got the all-important silt fence up, so that's done. I still have 1,000,000 feet of that to do, but at least by the road we have that up. So we're moving right along. Weather's getting warm and I love it.